Again, my name is Kamakakēhau Fernandez. It's an honor to be here at the Made in Hawai'i Festival on this stage, living my dream. I remember many years ago I was just walking through outside over there, looking at all the wonderful arts and crafts, but the very first time I came to Made in Hawai'i Festival, I experienced the melodic voice of Auntie Janoa Kiawe, and I said, so ono, so ono. I want to be doing that someday. But none of this would it have been possible without the love that has been embraced and shown to me. So I'm going to sing this next song titled Ene, and the classic Hawaiian tune. Aloha Hawai'i oe, e aloha ene. There will be no one in your place. I've seen the shadows fall. I hear your sweet melody, that brings me memories of you. I'd be so lost without you. Everything seems so blue, but my heart keeps saying that it's you, dear. It's you, just you, my darling. Aloha, you're mine, just mine, alone. There'll be no one in your place. Show some love for Kapono Nailiili. I'd be so lost without you. Everything seems so blue, but my heart keeps saying that it's you, dear. It's you, just you, my darling. Aloha, you're mine, just mine, alone. There'll be no one in your place. There'll be no one in your place. There'll be no one.